Hi guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off auto answer calls on iPhone. So let's start. First of all, you have to open your settings app. So here's my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened. And you have to scroll down to this accessibility and then tab on it to open it. So let me tap on this. And after that guys, you have to come to this physical and motor section. And in this section, you have to tap on this touch. And after that, guys, you have to scroll down to this call audio routing and then tap on it. And after that, guys, you have to come to this option, auto answer calls. You can see currently it's turned off. So just tap on this, auto answer calls. And I have this auto answer calls screen opened. And here we have this option, hot answer calls. You can see currently it's turned off. So in order to turn on what you need to do, you have to tap on this toggle next to this auto answer calls and move this slider to the right. So let me tap on this and you can see it's now turned on, and you can also set the dot timing and the duration of time to wait until the call is auto answered. Okay? So in order to increase the time, you can tap on this, plus button. I'm tapping on this and you can see the time has been increased, and also you can decrease the time by tapping on this minus button. So let me tap on this minus button and you can see the time has been decreased. So suppose if you want to turn off auto answer calls, then what you need to do, you have to tap on this toggle next to this auto answer calls and move this slider to the left. So let me tap on this because I want to show you, and you can see it's now turned off. After you're done, you can close your settings app. So let me close that. So that's it guys. In this way, you can easily turn on or off how to answer calls on iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye.